This one is our combined gas law worksheet. So this is worksheet number 4. So number 4 is going to be, this is what we do before your ideal gas law. So if you want to do them in order, do this one with that one first. Do this one first and then do the ideal gas law next. So this one, what we're looking at is a formula of P 1V1 over T, so pressure times volume over temperature equals pressure times volume over temperature, just the changing of it. So in this particular one, we've set it up to where you can do this on this side. Remember, watch the video examples with Mr. Darmody and complete that as well. So a gas has a volume of 28 liters. So we have our first volume. A temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. Remember, we have to do plus 273 to get it to Kelvin, because it always has to be in Kelvin. Remember, always have to put it in Kelvin when dealing with gas. So the 45 plus 273 is going to give us an answer of 318. So 318 Kelvin and an unknown pressure. So we have no idea what the pressure is. But we do see in the volume increases to 38 or 34 liters. The temperature decreases to 35 degrees Celsius. So remember, we have the plus 273. So that means they're going to be down to 308 Kelvin. And we see our pressure has changed to 2 atmospheres. So given this, we can create our algebraic equation. So P is our unknown. So this is going to be P times 28 liters over 318 Kelvin equals 34 liters times your pressure, which is going to be 2 atmospheres, and divided by 308 Kelvin. So given that, we can find our first side. So all we're going to do is we're going to have our 34 times 2 divided by 308. That gives us an answer of 0.221. Now, given this, we have to invert this. So that means we're going to multiply by 318 and divide by 28. So that means we're going to take this number that we just got, our 22.1, multiply it by 318, because in order to do that, we get rid of this one, get rid of this one. And then we will divide by our 28. So that gives us makes sense? So that gives us a pressure originally of 2.51 atmospheres. Does that make sense? So we just set up an algebraic equation once we find all of our unknowns. And once you've completed that, you can go on, try to finish the rest of it. We only have, given this, you do not have to do the honors. Remember, you do not have to do the honors on any of them if you don't want to. That is just for bonus points. And you have that's just a few left to do. Alright, so good luck. And Dalton's Law is the last one that we're going to do. That's the simplest one. I don't think I'm going to do a flip lesson for Dalton's Law. We will just discuss it during our live stream because it's very simple, and we'll do that on Friday. Good luck. I hope everything goes well.